Hi guys, so I'm gonna do two problems about completing the square. This is problem number 2 from the homework. If there are any of them in particular that you wanted me to do besides this one, let me know and I will do that for you. And then this is a different problem that we're gonna talk about in a second. So, completing the square. Your first step, I posted the steps for you, is to isolate all your variables on one side, right? Because we're going to solve the equation, meaning I'm going to solve for x. So I have my v squared plus 6v. I'm going to leave that little space, and then I'm going to add the 59. So I'm going to have 59, positive 59 on the right side. Okay? And remember, whatever you add here, you're going to also add on the right side. Okay? All right, so now, how do I know what I'm going to add? Remember, you're going to take half of b and square it. So half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. Right? So I'm going to add the 9 here, and don't forget you have to add the 9 on the other side also. I'm going to just make sure that you can see the whole screen here. Yeah. Okay. I'm filming myself, so. All right, so now on this right here, I have a nice factorable piece, right? This factors x plus 3 times x plus 3. But instead of writing it like that, I'm just going to write x plus 3 squared equals, and then 59 plus 59 is what, 68? 59 plus 9 is 68. Okay, then I'm going to do my square root property. So I square root both sides. So I have x plus 3, right? Once I square this, the square goes away. And square root this, the square goes away. Equals positive negative square root of 68. Okay, so I'm going to have to simplify that. But we'll come back, we'll simplify it last, okay? So again, I'm solving for x. So I'm going to subtract the 3, right? So I have x equals negative 3 plus minus the square root of 68. Now, how do I break down 68? The square root of 68, right? Well, if you go on your list, start on the list of perfect squares, I can break it down. Radical 4 times radical 17, right? 4 times 17 is 68. So that's 2 radical 17. So instead of writing it like that, I'm just going to write x equals negative 3 plus minus 2 radical 17. And that is your